Hello students, hydrochloric acid, HCl, hydrogen chloride. HCl, HCl it is in the form preparation. When we prepare HCl in the form of gas, then it condense, it give liquid state. Now HCl, hydrochloric acid, now molecular formula HCl and its molecular mass, hydrogen 1, chlorine 35.5. So molecular weight or molar mass of hydrogen chloride is 36.5. Now electronic Lewis structure HCl, hydrogen having 1 electron in the form of dot, chlorine having total 7 electron, valence electron, and total number of valence electron in HCl molecule is equal to 8. In this hydrogen with Cl, it is a polar covalent bond. It is a polar covalent bond present. Now preparation of HCl, hydrochloric acid, by synthesis direct combination. When hydrogen gas combined with chlorine in presence of diffuse sunlight, when hydrogen gas combined with chlorine in presence of diffuse sunlight, it gives hydrochloric acid in the form of gas. Now this reaction, it is a explosive in direct sunlight, but it is a negligible in the darkness. And also hydrochloric acid prepared when metallic chloride react with concentrated sulfuric acid. Now metallic chloride having example salt NaCl react with sulfuric acid at below 200 degrees Celsius, we get salt NaHSO4 and hydrochloric gas. It is a preparation of volatile acid HCl from non-volatile acid. We already discussed in nitric acid, sulfuric acid chapter. Now NaCl, salt plus sulfuric acid below 200 degrees Celsius, we get salt NaHSO4 and one hydrogen combined with Cl, it gives HCl gas and salt. Another same kind of NaCl react with sulfuric acid at about 200 degrees Celsius, we get salt plus hydrochloric acid. It is a completely Na at having Na2SO4 sodium sulfate gives and salt, and there are 2 times hydrogen. These 2 hydrogen combined with 2 Cl. So we NaCl use as a 2 times, then we get 2 times HCl and sodium sulfate, but condition about 200 degrees Celsius temperature. We also prepare HCl gas when copper chloride react with sulfuric acid, copper combined with SO4 and hydrogen with Cl. We get 2 times HCl and copper sulfate. When copper chloride react with sulfuric acid, when heated we get copper sulfate and hydrochloric acid. Now laboratory method preparation of hydrogen chloride gas. We need sodium chloride as a reactant and concentrated sulfuric acid. We need sodium chloride and sulfuric acid as a reactant. Now this is a setup for preparation of hydrogen chloride from common salt. Common salt means NaCl. Now this is a round bottom flask. In round bottom flask having sulfuric acid and sodium chloride addition. On from front side for the addition of concentrated sulfuric acid in round bottom flask. When we heated about 180 degree Celsius means below 200 degree Celsius. Now in this formation of HCl gas which is in a glass jar, and we collect the hydrochloric acid in the form of gas, HCl in the form of gas. From this jar having air is left out or removed because density of hydrochloric acid it is a greater than air. So we collect HCl hydrochloric gas in this method when there are two types of reaction, below 200 degree Celsius and above 200 degree Celsius. When we NaCl react with sulfuric acid below 200 degree Celsius, it gives salt plus HCl. This is a reversible reaction. This is a reversible reaction. It goes to completion of hydrochloric acid continuously except as a gas. It is a completion of hydrochloric acid continuously except as a gas. But when our temperature is above 200 degrees Celsius, the reaction can occur up to last stage and formation of salt like sodium sulfate. It is a when temperature is greater than 200 and it gives hydrochloric acid as a 2 times, above 200 degrees Celsius and below 200 degrees Celsius. When we formation of HCl gas, it purified by the hydrochloric acid through concentrated sulfuric acid. It is used as a dried sulfuric acid used as a dried for purification of hydrochloric acid. In this method we cannot use as a drying agent like calcium oxide or phosphorus pentoxide. We cannot use as a calcium oxide or phosphorus pentoxide because hydrochloric acid react with both calcium oxide or it may be react with phosphorus pentoxide. So we use as a suitable reagent for drying purpose sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid. It is the best for purification of hydrochloric acid. Now collection of hydrochloric acid. This hydrochloric acid cannot be collected over the water because hydrochloric acid it is a highly soluble in water. So we cannot collect over the water. We collect hydrochloric acid by downward delivery in the jar because hydrochloric acid gas it is a heavier than heavier than air. So we completely collect in the jar. When jar is completely filled with hydrochloric acid, it becomes fumes appear about the jar's mouth. So we easily identify the jar is completely filled by the hydrochloric acid. Now precaution for preparation of hydrochloric acid. In this precaution, thistle tube having sulfuric acid, it is a continuously dipped in sulfuric acid solution, and we are used as a drying agent sulfuric acid, and temperature nearly 200 degrees Celsius. If above 200 degrees Celsius, the apparatus may be cracked. So take precaution for preparation of HCl gas. Now physical properties of HCl gas. It is a colorless gas and which having smell, pungent choking smell, and it is a acidic sour taste, and its physiological nature, it is corrosive in nature. It irritates nose, throat and lungs. So students, handle carefully hydrochloric acid. Next property, solubility. It is a readily soluble in water in R proportion, and it produce completely ionized and produce H plus ion and Cl minus ion. So it is a good conductor of electricity. Then chemical properties. Suppose litmus paper. This blue litmus paper turn into red, therefore it is acidic in nature. Methyl orange, it convert into pink solution when hydrochloric acid solution. Indicator, we use phenolphthalein. Then when addition of phenolphthalein indicator in HCl solution, aqueous solution, it become colorless. This is the chemical properties of hydrochloric acid. Now students, chemical reaction, chemical properties. Hydrochloric acid react with ammonia. This hydrochloric also acid gas or ammonia also gas. When these both gases combine to form ammonia chloride, which is in the form of solid, it gives ammonium chloride, NH4Cl. HCl and ammonia combine to give ammonium chloride. Now it react with sodium, calcium, magnesium, zinc, Fe ion, means all these metal. When HCl react with metal to give hydrogen gas, and salt. Now first reaction, when sodium metal react with HCl, it gives NaCl. We use as a sodium as a 2 times, then we get 2 times NaCl, and also we are using HCl as a 2 times, so produce hydrogen gas or evolved hydrogen gas. This sodium active metal. Another reaction, we are using magnesium ribbon. When react with HCl, it evolve hydrogen gas and magnesium chloride. When magnesium react with hydrogen chloride, it gives magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. Same kind of another reaction. When calcium react with 2 times HCl, it gives calcium chloride and evolve hydrogen gas. Same kind of another reaction. Zinc react with HCl, hydrochloric acid, it gives salt as a zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. Same kind of another reaction. Iron react with HCl, hydrochloric acid, as a 2 times we get ferrous chloride. We get ferrous chloride, FeCl2, and hydrogen gas evolved. In this all, sodium react with calcium, react with magnesium, react with zinc, react with Fe, react with all these react with HCl. We get hydrogen gas, liberate hydrogen gas, and their salt.